In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can add an animated picture background, like an animated GIF, to your Microsoft Word document. While Word is primarily built for static document content, there are ways to incorporate animation, though keep in mind, results can vary depending on the device or printer you're using. First, let's open your Word document. Once that's ready, head to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. From there, select Pictures, and then navigate to your computer to find the animated GIF file you'd like to use. After selecting your file, it should appear in your document. Now, with your picture highlighted, switch over to the Picture Format tab that pops up. You're going to need to adjust how the text interacts with your image, so go ahead and click on Wrap Text. You have two main options here: behind text or in front of text, depending on what fits your layout best. Choosing one of these options allows you to treat the image as if it were part of the background. Now, an important part as shared by a user is to first place the GIF by selecting the Insert tab. Then choose your GIF. Once inserted, adjust it by going to Layout Options and selecting In Front of Text, initially for easier management. This allows you to resize and reposition the image exactly where you want it. Then switch to Behind Text. Make sure the image covers the page, or whatever area you desire, like a background wallpaper. Once that's sorted, consider anchoring it to prevent movement. Just right-click on your image, choose Size and Position, and you'll want to look under Position Settings. Here you can set Lock Anchor, and ensure it's set as relative to page. Once you have the image adjusted, it's a good idea to save your document. You can review how it looks by viewing it in Word's Print Layout or Full Screen View. The animation may display just fine within Word itself. However, bear in mind that if you print the document or save it as a PDF, the GIF might not retain its animation. A static frame is more likely to appear. If you're aiming to have this animated background across multiple pages, consider placing the image in the document's header or footer. This way, it repeats seamlessly on every page behind the main content. To achieve this, double-click within the header area of your document. Insert your GIF here, then set the wrap option to Behind Text. If your document has a unique first page, make sure to check the different first page option in your header settings to maintain the animation. Lastly, because GIF support can differ across devices and versions of Word, be sure to check how your document appears on other platforms, like Word for Mac or Word Online. Sometimes only the first frame of the GIF shows up, so a test run can save you surprises later on. Now, you're equipped with the steps to animate your Word document with flair. Enjoy experimenting with this feature.